Now that we have taken a look at how an analytical app runs, let's take a look at how to edit an analytical app. First, we have the general information above with the stage manager below. Within the stage manager, we can then select a particular stage to edit. In the stage editor, it's a drag and drop system similar to how we edit workflows. We can drag a component to add it to the stage, and then we can configure each component separately. This provides almost infinite configuration options, and we can change the way of not only the way that each stage works, but how it looks also. Here we have selected a stage, moved it into the stage manager, and now we are editing it. We have changed the label or the name to column. And now within our stage, we have a drop-down selection menu for users to choose from. We can now decide what options we want to add to this list and how it will interact with the underlying workflows. Once the editing is done, we can simply save it and hit done, and then the analytical app will be changed for all users.